Welcome to the presentation video of the Multitool from Kyros. I've just unfolded it here, and as you can see it has many different functions, and I think we should just go through it slowly and then we'll take them as we go. So I'll just fold some of them in to start with. We'll come back to those. Like this. If we start like this, well, when you have it unfolded and can actually use it like this, it has pliers up here at the top, and in the middle or at the bottom of the pliers it also has, well, I call it an eagle beak, but it can just snip a wire if you happen to need that. On one side it has these three. It has a Phillips screwdriver, and then it has this little point that's also a bit sharp, but not a knife. Then it has this one, which can actually fit various nuts, if you happen to be in need of that. Then we'll just fold those back together. On the other side, it has these three different hooks. Hope you can see them. For different sizes and different purposes, depending on what your needs are. There we go. But otherwise, when it's unfolded, it's like this. So it fits really well in the hand. It's a perfect size, if I do say so myself. If we take and fold it up, then I can show you the last functions. This is actually also how it comes. If you choose to buy it, you'll receive it like this. You receive it in a small pouch, which is in a cardboard box. This pouch here, you also have the option to put it on your belt, so you can always have your multi-tool with you in your outdoor pants, if that's where it should be. If not, there's also a clip on here that you can put in your pocket. Hope you can see it a bit here. And then we have the next functions on the multi-tool. One of them is, if I can get it out, there it was. It's a small saw, so you have the opportunity to saw through some wood. If you need some firewood while you're on a trip, you can easily just use this. The way you close it again is once it's out, you can see it locks in place. Then you just have to press in here, and then you can close it again. It also just clicks, like that. Back in with it. On the other side we have a file. Hope you can see it. And on the opposite side of the file, there's actually a small measuring tape in centimeters and in inches, so you have the chance to measure something if needed. On the opposite side, we also have two different functions. One of the items we have here is actually a pair of scissors, so you have the opportunity to cut some string if you ever need to. Last but not least, we have this one, and it's a knife, so you have the opportunity to whittle some wood or saw or cut some meat or whatever it might be. But the option is there, and in the same way as the others, you click in here to be able to close it down again. There. So that's the multi-tool you can expect to receive if you choose to buy it. The first thing you notice when you hold it in your hand is that it has a decent weight. It's also in the product description, but it just proves that it's not some flimsy piece of junk. It has a good weight relative to its size, and it's quite compact in size. I hope this video gave you an impression of the product, what it looks like, what the various functions are and do, and just to see them. It can sometimes be better than just seeing pictures. If you have any further questions, please send us an email and we'll be ready to answer them.